Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. So I was in the shower the other day. First off, every time I think about things for my channel, like video ideas, I'm either in the shower, sitting on the couch watching TV, or just laying in the bed. So I was in the shower the other day and I thought about this video and I was like, I want to film this because I don't think I've ever filmed anything like this on my channel. So I don't even know what the title is going to be. So I got to think about that. But the concept is feeling good without makeup, like how to look good and feel good without makeup. There we go. That's my title. I know a lot of you that watch my channel love makeup as much as I do. And I also know there are some of you that don't really like to be bothered with makeup. Like you don't want to do a full face of makeup. You just want to wear mascara, lip balm, lip gloss, a little bit of blush and be good. And I know there are some of you, I'm pretty sure there are some of you that watch my channel that don't even wear makeup at all. So and you guys know I like to have a good mix on my channel. I share drugstore makeup, high-end makeup, full face of makeup, everyday natural looks on my channel. So this video is all about the no makeup. So yeah. I have a few products in front of me that I am going to be showing you. You guys are going to see how I incorporate them in the routine throughout the video. And I also want to save a little bit, a couple of products for the end of this video. I'm going to actually sit here with you guys and show you how I would apply it on my face if I want to kind of amp up what I have going on right here, which is nothing. But yes, so the first thing that I like to do in the morning times, especially if I feel really tired and I feel like my face looks a little puffy. This is a good tip if you don't have like those face rollers or those, what is that thing you put in the freezer? Ice roller. So if you don't have a face roller or an ice roller, get ice out of your freezer and just put it on your face. This is gonna wake you up. This is gonna make the puffiness go down. So not only is the ice gonna wake you up, it also feels really good on the skin. I also like to take it around my nose because every time I wake up, my nose looks a little puffy. I'm pretty much just puffy in my T-zone anyway every time I get up in the morning. So I would just take the ice and rub it under my eyes and also in those areas that I'm usually puffy. And I just do this for a few minutes. I mean, I don't really have a set time of how long I do this, but just enough to where the ice is pretty much melted. But yeah, I thought that was a good tip for you guys if you don't want to go and spend money on those jade rollers and those ice rollers. So girl, just get you a piece of ice out your freezer and put it on your face. The next thing I like to do in the morning times is of course to clean my face. If you guys are familiar with my channel, you know that I don't really do a lot of steps in the morning times. I just wash my face, put on a moisturizer, SPF, and I'm good to go. So with my morning routine, my cleansers are usually hydrating. They're usually like those gentle foaming cleansers that's not going to really strip my skin. So I'm using the Tula Skincare, the Cult Classic Purifying Cleanser. This has become my holy grail cleanser. I mentioned this one in my Best of Beauty 2020. If you guys missed that video, I will have it linked down below. But yes, girl, love this cleanser and I like how it lathers up really good. You guys can see right here how good it lathers and it does not burn my eyes. Every time I wash my face in the mornings, I always gravitate towards a cleanser that's not gonna burn my eyes. It's not gonna irritate my eyes. So the Tula Skincare Cleanser is bomb. All right, so any of you that don't watch vlogs, if you've never seen any of my vlogs, then you have not heard me talk about the Dose of Colors skincare. If you did not know, Dose of Colors has skincare. So after I washed my face, I went in with the Dose of Colors Energizing Serum. So this is just gonna pretty much brighten the skin, make it look more youthful and just glowy and awake. So after I clean my face and before I put on a moisturizer, I like to go in with this. Dose of Colors also has a moisturizer, but today I wanted to use a moisturizer that already had SPF in it. So I'm going to be using the Tula Skincare Protect and Glow Sunscreen. This has SPF 30 in it, and it also protects from blue light. So if you are sitting in front of your computer or if you're on your phone all day, you want to make sure that you are protecting your eyes from the blue light. So I know that they have like blue light glasses, but I thought it was really cool that this also protects from blue light. But yeah, this stuff is really hydrating. I mean, you guys can see it on my face right now. This is like the only thing that the last product that I put on my face. You can see my face is dewy, it's hydrated, it looks just radiant, like yes. So yeah, this is really really good. All right, girl, now that your skin is prepped, it's looking beautiful and flawless and glowy and radiant, now do your hair. Y'all, I kid you not. If you don't want to wear makeup, but you still want to look put together and feel good, do your hair. I kid you not. This will make you feel so good. And just, it just brings everything together if your hair is done. And that can be something as little as just brushing your hair down or putting it in a tight bun or just braiding it up. I always just like to brush my hair down. You guys know this. This is a full unit, and I always have all the information you need about my hair in the description of my videos. All you have to do is just expand the description under the video and you will see the information. But yeah, brush your hair down. Curl your hair. Right here, I'm just curling it with my T3 wand, which you can get from Sephora. I'll have everything that I'm talking about in the description. But yeah, girl, brush your hair, make it look nice, and you'll be good. All right, so now that your skin is looking good, your hair is looking good, now it's time to put some clothes on because you do not want to walk around all day in your pajamas. It can be loungewears. Just get out of your pajamas. Get out of those shorts, get out of the t-shirt, put on a cute little loungewear set, put on some jeans if you want to, put on a t-shirt, just anything but the clothes that you wore to bed. And it will make your day so much better. You won't feel as lazy or as blah, you know? Getting up, you know, freshening up your skin, doing your hair, putting on some clothes, it will make a huge difference. I promise you. So what I chose to wear is this little bodysuit I got from Nordstrom last year, I believe. It's pretty old, but I will try to find it and link it for you guys. It's actually one of my favorite bodysuits. I love how comfortable it is. And yeah, so I just put this on, and I actually have on some black sweatpants that I am chilling in today. So this is what I'm wearing all day today. So yeah, another thing that I feel like will make you look good and feel good is putting on accessories. And that can be as little as a bracelet, a necklace, some earrings. Right here, I just put on these little gold hoops that I got from Amazon. They're super affordable. I will have them linked down below. But yeah, put on some earrings, put on you a cute necklace. Something that'll kind of spice up what you already have on. Even if you are wearing loungewear, put on a cute gold chain or a cute bracelet or just something cute that'll kind of spice up your look so that way you can feel good and look good. Okay, so you're pretty much done for the day, right? These next steps are totally optional. You don't have to do this, but this is what I like to do. You guys know my brows are I feel like my brows are pretty full. But for any of you that are watching who have sparse brows, who have full brows, who have just any type of brow, if you want to go in with a brow pencil, you can, of course. But if you don't, I would say get a brow gel, especially if you have full brows. And right here, I'm just cleaning up my brows. This is a brow razor that I got from Sephora. I usually do this maybe once or twice a month. So I just want to make sure that my brows look, you know, pretty clean because they are kind of growing out a little bit. And then I took a brow gel. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel. You can use clear, you can use a tinted one. I prefer clear because I wanted to keep it natural. Like I wanted this to be literally a no makeup look. So I just took a little bit of this, brushed it in my brows, and then I took this little, what is this even called? It's like a dual-sided brush from e.l.f. Cosmetics. I just took the little spoolie side and I brushed the gel into my brows like that, which you guys see right here. But yeah, if you have sparse brows, you can go in with your brow pencil if you want, or your brow pomade, anything that you use for your brows. After that is the lips. This can be chapstick, it can be lip balm, it can be a lip gloss, it can be a lipstick, liquid lipstick, girl, anything you want, just put it on. But like I said earlier, I wanted this to be a no makeup look, like literally no makeup. So I went ahead and put on the Fenty Beauty lip balm. It's in the shade Latte Lips. This is a color that's pretty much just like my lip color. I mean, it looks just like it. When I put it on, you can kind of see a little bit of the tint, but it's honestly not as noticeable. I'm gonna put a little bit more on right now because I've been talking a lot. So I'm just gonna rub a little bit more on my lips. But yes, such a good everyday color if you don't really want to put on any type of lip product, but you want a little bit of color on your lips. This is really, really good. All right, girl, you are looking good. You're looking flawless. Like nobody can tell you nothing. So this next step is totally optional as well. But if you want, put on some perfume. Smell good. When you smell good, you feel good. So the perfume I'm wearing today is the Clean Reserve Skin. This is my favorite everyday scent. I actually mentioned this one in my Best of Beauty video, which, like I said earlier, if you missed the video, I'll have it linked down below. But girl, the best everyday fresh scent. This is one of those scents that you can wear in the morning times, in the evening, like any time of the day. This scent is good. It's so fresh, so soothing, and it also is kind of warm too. It's like a really warm, fresh, inviting scent. I love it. Now to the next step that I actually want to do on camera with you guys. This is totally optional, like a lot of the steps that I showed, but if you feel like you need a little bit more, like a little oomph to your face, just a little bit, not too much, just a tiny bit, grab a foundation that is the exact, like, I know this is like crazy to say because there's, I mean, if you have a foundation in your collection that you feel like matches you to the T, like to the T, it can be foundation, it can be concealer, either one. If it matches your skin to the T, get it. I actually have this one from Huda Beauty. This is in the shade 450. This matches me perfectly. So grab a little angled brush. This is from e.l.f. Cosmetics. I'll have this one linked down below as well. But it's just a really tiny angled brush, and just dip it in the concealer or the foundation, whatever you use. And hold on, let me get a little bit of this right here. Ooh, let me grab a mirror. I'll be back. Okay, I'm gonna have to scoot up a little bit because my camera is all the way zoomed in and I can't zoom it in anymore. So, okay, I have my mirror. This is what you're gonna wanna do. Make sure you have not too much, but just enough on your angled brush. Okay, wait, rewind. This is for the brows. If you don't want to touch your brows, you don't have to do this step, but you can still do the same thing with your foundation or your concealer to spot conceal. So if you want to go in, like right now, for instance, you guys can see that I have a few dark spots right here. If I wanted to, I can take my concealer and just kind of dot over it, take my finger and then blend it in like that, which I'll actually show you. I mean, why not? I'm going to put a little bit right here. Just like that, and then I'm gonna take my finger and kind of blend it in, tap it in with my finger, just like that. See how it just instantly disappeared? Like, boom, it's gone. You don't even have to have a full face of makeup on. Just put on a little bit of concealer. I'll put some right here, just to show you guys again. And then take my finger. And boom. I mean, you can, it's not perfect, but it's not as noticeable as it was. But I mean, you can do that if you want. But going back to the brows, I'm going to take a little bit more of this. And since my brows are already in place with the gel, I really don't have to do anything to them really. But if you want your brows to pop even more, just take that concealer or that foundation that you have and go right up under your brow, like right where the brow bone is, and just kind of clean it up. And this is just going to make your brows pop a little bit more. See how this color is literally melting in my skin because it's my perfect shade. I'm gonna get some more. And being that we have to wear masks, this is perfect. Like, you don't even have to worry about makeup getting on your mask. As long as your brows look good, girl, you are good. You guys know I like to use my Kevyn Aucoin, the Sensual Skin Enhancer, for my under eye, well, my underbrow concealer all the time. But like I said, but since this is supposed to be a no makeup look, I made sure to get something that matches me perfectly, so that way it won't be noticeable. Like that way you won't see that I have on a concealer, you know? See how, look at that. Girl, look at that. See how this one looks more lifted and more just, girl, y'all can't tell me that don't look good. Ah! Okay, and then this one, let's just go ahead and, hold on. I'm gonna get a little bit more product. If you want to put this over your brow, like on top, I'm not gonna do it, but if you want, you can do it above your brow too to clean it up. But I personally like to just keep it under my brow. You also want to make sure that you are blending out that concealer or the foundation, whatever product that you're using. You want to make sure that you're blending it out good, because you don't want to see no lines. You want to make sure that it is soft and blended. So kind of blend it down. You see what I was just doing? Just blend it down almost onto your lid, but not all the way on your lid, because you don't want any product on your lid because you're not wearing any makeup. So I love, 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 love. Yes. So yeah, that is the brows. And then this next step, this is actually the very, very, very last step. If you feel like you want a little bit more definition to your lips, grab a lip liner. So I'm going to take the e.l.f. Cosmetics Retro Paradise lip liner in the shade Nude 3. And I'm just going to pretty much line my lips. Let me get that mirror back out. So if you want a little more definition, just line your lips. All right, see how that looks more caramel, more chocolatey. And I'm just gonna take a little bit more of the lip balm and kind of go over it to give me more of a glossy pout. And that's it. That is it, girl, we look good. You look good, you look beautiful. So if you feel like you don't look good without makeup, that is a total lie. But yes, girl, let me know if this was helpful. Let me know which step was your favorite. Also, let me know if any of the steps that I showed are gonna be incorporated in your current routine. So yes, that is all I have for today. I had so much fun filming this video. I'm so glad I thought about it in the shower. So yeah, that is it. I hope y'all enjoyed. If you did, give me a huge thumbs up. Make sure you are subscribed if you're not subscribed already, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.